Sandy has 3 dogs. One of them is big, the other one is medium-sized, and the last one is small. The small dog weighs 2/3 as much as the medium-sized dog. The medium dog weighs 10 pounds more than the small dog. The big dog weighs 4/5 as much as the medium and the small dog together. How much does the big dog weigh? We're going to solve this problem visually. If you want to try the problem on your own, which I would encourage you to do, please pause the video and try the problem on your own, and we can compare. Then you can watch my video and compare the two solutions. So pause the video now if you want to try to solve the problem on your own. So I have the question on top. In the bottom, I have chosen 15 boxes to represent the weight of the medium-sized dog. Why 15? Because of the two denominators, 3 and 5. And why the two denominators? I need to find 2/3 of the weight of the medium dog, and if it's a multiple of 3, that would help. And I need to find 4/5 of the medium dog and the small dog together. Again, the medium dog being a multiple of 5 will also help. So 3 times 5 is 15, and I used 15 boxes to represent the entire weight of the medium dog. If that's the case, if you want to count, go ahead count, but I'll count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I do know one thing, that the small dog weighs 2/3 as much as the medium dog. Okay? If the medium dog weighs 15 units, 1/3 of 15 is 5. So this is 1/3 of 15. Another 5. This is 1/3 of 15. So this is 1/3. This weight represents 1/3 of the weight of the medium dog. This weight represents 1/3 of the weight of the medium dog. Another 1/3, and 3/3 make the whole. So from this I can conclude that the weight of the smaller dog, or the smallest dog, has to be 10 units. 1/3 is 5, 2/3 has to be 10. So I'm going to draw a picture for the small dog. So I chose 10 boxes to represent the small dog. Why? Because 10 is 2/3 of 15, and we just described it visually as well. Okay. Now we need to find the weight of the large dog. The large dog weighs, or the big dog weighs 4/5 as much as the medium and the small dog together. Now you can do it in two different ways. Okay, one way would be find 4/5 of the small dog, find 4/5 of the medium dog, add them together. Or you can find 4/5 of the entire weight of the two dogs. The medium dog weighs 15 units and the small dog weighs 10 units. So if you add them up, this is going to be 25 units for the weight of both dogs. And 4/5 of 25, 1/5 of 25 is 5, 4/5 of 25 is 20. So the large dog must weigh 20 units. Once again, you want to follow this. This is an important step. Basically what we are concluding is this: 4/5 of 25 is equal to 20, and therefore the large dog will weigh 20 units. Here we have the visual representation of the weights of the three dogs. The large dog weighs 20 units. I'm going to put it's hard to count these black boxes, but go ahead and count them. They are accurately described here. But this is 20. This is 20. This is 15. And this is 10. Now, the question says the medium dog weighs 10 pounds more than the small dog. So that tells me, let me change my color to blue, maybe green. that tells me that this is the difference. The difference between the weights of the two dogs is 5 boxes, and this has to represent 10 pounds. This has to represent 10 pounds. If that's the case, each box must represent 2 pounds, because 10 divided by 5 is 2. There are 5 boxes, they represent 10 pounds, so each box must be worth 2 pounds. How much does the big dog weigh? Well, if each box is worth 2 pounds, let's write it here. Oops, I'm sorry. Let's do this. If each box is worth 2 pounds, 20 boxes will be worth 40 pounds. That's my answer. 40 pounds. That's the weight of the big dog. That's my answer. 40 pounds.